The key findings in the case study came to show that analyzing the data, that with the larger class sizes, the instructor to student ratio, and the reduced behind the wheel training time came to be the primary causes of the increase of accidents within a 12 months post-graduation. By reducing the teacher to student ratio, helped improve the adequate training and improve the individualized attention with students. Post-training first-year driver accidents were actually reduced and had contributed to a significant decrease in the amount of claims and related costs. And also the Transit Administration is leveraging the power of the proper training evaluation techniques towards company-wide goals to help decrease employee absenteeism and help improve customer service. Some program success factors were management's commitment to utilizing the training evaluation data to help solve problems. Success were also recognized and often celebrated at points during the training and after the training. Again, as we all know, the student-to-instructor ratios are always important. With those being lower, leads to more one-on-one time, thus improves success within the classroom or the training. By providing continuous communication with the students and the instructors, even after they've completed the training, helps also for them to continue to succeed in their current position in their job, and also help for them, they can come back and assist new drivers as a mentor. One big part of the case study is the union approved a probationary period, so a 90-day probationary period for new employees, and a point system to help hold drivers accountable for their driving records. Also, some data-based decisions to improve training and some post-accident data collection and training were all based on these new data collection processes. Some barriers that have come across through the case study were some employees were resistant to the idea that reducing the class sizes would affect the grad to pat times. Once the data was explained, the program was accepted. There also is a big urgency to get the students in through training as fast as possible and get them out on the street working, but resulted in instructors not being thorough on their evaluation forms. They were then briefed on the connection between spending the quality time with their students or the bus operators, and then later on avoiding having to retrain them again. So if you spend the time now training them, you won't have to go back and revisit time and time again. Also, inconsistency can really hinder any kind of progress in any aspect of training, school, or your life by the inconsistency with the grading of the bus operator's performance. It came to having to retrain some of the instructors and explain the importance of the data gathered. Overall, the program's success was greatly due to the amount of attention to detail with planning the training program, which then provided superb training overall. The continuous performance support, such as prior students still being in communication with their professors, and having targeted specific evaluation tools for the instructors to use. The participants themselves also provided a huge asset to their fellow participants with their excitement and enthusiasm. Both the combination of the detailed framework of the training program and the enthusiasm of the participants provided great success and helped provide positive opportunities for others to gain the knowledge from the training who might otherwise be resistant.